Welcome! Today I'm showing how to customize volume panels into XIAOMI Redmi Note 9T. First step, go into Play Store and find Volume Styles application, this one. So click Install, wait a second for installing, and then click Open. And now you choose your volume style, for example Android 12, so click it and click in the top Start button, so click. And now we need to give accessibility for this application, so turn on here, and here I need to choose Download Service and Volume Styles, and turn on accessibility. Click Allow, and click Yes, I agree. And now we got a new Volume Styles panel into your XIAOMI Redmi Note 9T. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.